What is going on, guys and girls? Today in this video, what we're going to discuss is what I'm doing business-wise, like what businesses I'm operating and what businesses I no longer run. You know, I've been into many businesses, from iPhone reselling to buying products wholesale from China and reselling them on eBay to I don't know if I said drop shipping, to affiliate marketing, to social media management, to web development, all that stuff. So I'm going to explain what I currently still do and what I don't do, what's hot for myself and what's not anymore. So yeah, let's get into it. So here's a disclaimer. If I do not do a business myself and I'm not operating a business myself, I am in no way saying, like, that's not me verbally saying that it doesn't work. I'm in no way saying any of the businesses that I no longer operate don't work. I'm simply just saying I do not find my time is worth it to invest into that business at this moment. So now that we have that out of the way, the current businesses that I'm no longer operating, we'll get to those first and then get into the ones I'm still operating, are going to be, the ones I don't, are going to be iPhone reselling. I no longer buy and resell iPhones. Very simple reason. I don't have the time, and I do have the time. I don't want to invest the time into the business because my time is way more valuable than that. So if it takes me an hour to go buy an iPhone and then sell it, and you know, after I list it and everything, it takes an hour and I make $65, I can run, I can work on a website and in a week to 3 weeks make like 15 grand on the site. And let's just say over the course of a few hours a day, like, I would be making way more than $60 an hour with the site. So that's why I no longer resell iPhones. It's just not worth my time anymore. Personally, if you guys are just starting out, I still suggest, like, get started with something like that, build up capital, and then move into a bigger business. So yeah, number 2 is going to be buying stuff wholesale and reselling them. I no longer do it. It's just not one of those things that I don't know, I just don't want to do it anymore. I was ordering products in bulk from China and selling them on eBay, and I was doing really well. I was making like a few hundred to a few grand a month with the business, but it was one of those things where it wasn't fun for me anymore, and I don't know, it just kind of got repetitive for myself, and I had a product that had glass on it, and it was kind of an issue, and so instead of like trying to just find another product and do product research, I decided to just hop out of the business and move on. You know, I'm young and I don't mind stopping businesses and moving on to something else. I think a lot of people think that you should like keep going with it, and yeah, I think you should keep going with your goals, but the vehicle can change. The vehicle to get you to point A, or from point A to point B, can change. It's just all about your goals. So if you want to have the goal to make $1 million a year or 100 grand a year, that is fine, but the vehicle that gets you there may not be what you think it is. So just keep going and trying new things until you find something that sticks. Those are kind of the businesses that I've dropped. Everything else I still do. So I do YouTube still. I consider that a business. I make money from it every single month, and I have, like, it's hard. Doing a video every single day is not something that a lot of people can do, let alone will do. You know, some people say, oh, it's just YouTube, you literally just film a video and that's it. It's like, no, you actually have to create a certain you have to structure your video properly and understand why you're making the video, and do research on, you know, trends and what is trending right now and what sort of key terms to add into your video. Like, there's a lot that goes into it, so that's why I'm putting YouTube as a business. So yes, I do operate a YouTube channel, this one that you're watching. I also have another one with like 100 subs. It has no videos, but I kind of want to start posting videos of my cars. I'm not really positive if I want to invest that time like that, just because time is pretty valuable, and I don't know if I truly want to, but that might be something I end up doing in the future, just because I have some ideas that could have videos go pretty viral pretty easily, because I've learned how to kind of do that. But yeah, YouTube is one big one, and then I also do, what else do I do? Dropshipping. I still operate a dropshipping store, 2 of them. One has over 2,000 orders, one is at like 1,500 or something. So now I'm running Facebook ads for them, generate income through lookalike audience ads on Facebook. It's how I run my ads right now. Like, it's just the easiest way. I create lookalike audiences based on just my orders that I export from Shopify, and then I run ads based on the lookalike audience. So I'll test like 1%, and then I'll test like 3 to 5%, and so on. So just see what works. And yeah, that's kind of what I do for dropshipping. The next business I operate is a social media management agency that specializes in social media marketing, digital marketing, social media management, and web design. So I will basically manage someone's social media, whether it's a company or a public figure, I really don't mind. And then I will also run ads towards their Facebook page and Instagram page, and then I can also run Google ads, and then I also build websites. So if people have a website that they just want me to recreate in a better manner, then I will do that. Or if they have no website, I can also build one from scratch. So yeah, those are kind of the businesses I'm operating and businesses I'm not operating. I just wanted to make this video because I had a lot of people ask me like, oh Sebastian, are you still reselling iPhones? Or are you still buying stuff wholesale and reselling it on eBay? Or, you know, what are you up to currently? So that's what this video is about. I have made web development videos because that's what is sort of big in my business career right now, so that's why I made videos on it. But yeah, that's kind of going to wrap it up for this video. I mean, there's not much to say. You know, YouTube is sweet to do, but sometimes I have like no idea what kind of video I want to film, like if I'm gonna be honest. Like today I saw the time was 2:30 and I want to try and post every day at 3 p.m. And I sat on my computer for like an hour trying to think of an idea to write down and start filming, but I could not think of like an idea. And I don't want this channel to get to the point where it's like I'm just trying to find ideas and post just to post. Like, it's kind of stupid if you ask me to do that. So that's why I don't want to like make this any sort of channel like that. Like, I want to make valuable content, but also I have to realize like I'm making these videos because one, I love documenting my process and journey, so I don't know, I think I just have to keep remembering that. And so I might start doing just like sort of day in the life videos, documenting everything I'm doing with my businesses and everything, because people may think that most entrepreneurs online work a lot. While we do, we also do other things. Like, I have 2 cars that I drive a lot that are, you know, one of them's fairly cool, so I work on my car a lot and do, you know, various mods to it. And then what else? I go to the gym, I go out, you know, traveling, I go to parties every once in a blue moon. Not really parties anymore, that was kind of high school me. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, and if you're not already subscribed, please click that beautiful looking subscribe button. And if you want to hit that bell as well, I guess you can. I'm not one to be super pushy on this type of stuff. If you want to subscribe, you can, but if you're not a fan of the content, that's completely fine. But with that being said, I don't really have anything else planned for the day. I think tomorrow I have to reach out to a few, one client of mine, and then after New Year's I have to reach out to someone else. So that's kind of that. I'm probably going to play some Call of Duty now because I'm a big fan of video games. That's one of the things that I enjoy doing on my weekends. I limit myself to just playing on the weekends, but that's just me. But hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Side note, if you have any video ideas or stuff you want me to do, just let me know. Like, even if you think like, oh, Sebastian will make this video, just drop it in the comments below, just because I want to make sure I have enough ideas for videos to keep going, because, you know, it gets tough out here creating unique content and trying not to copy anyone else. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and drop the comments below.